Hi everyone, this is Benjamin. I'm Saya and my little helpers, Sae and
Donna!
Okay, yay! So today we're gonna make takoyaki. Do
I
you know?
want to.
Do you like takoyaki bowl?
Yes!
Yes.
Yes!
It's very famous and very popular food in Japan. It's traditional Osaka food. Osaka is my hometown and I really love takoyaki. And I used to eat a lot in my childhood. So today we're gonna make it. Okay? The ingredients are very simple. Only 6 things. 1 takoyaki flour, an egg, water, tempura chips, crisps, and a green onion, and octopus. And it's so hard to get octopus here, but I found this one at Trader Joe's. Thank you, Trader Joe's.
How get the
I'm so
water?
happy I can now get octopus at Trader Joe's. Yay! Open the taco.
Cutting the whoa.
Ooh. Yay. Ta-da!
Whoa.
Yeah, takoyaki's taco means octopus, so we need to put some dice size of octopus. We're gonna cut small piece of octopus like this. It's too big. It's too big. So you need to cut like this size, little bit, like a dice size.
Nice, yeah.
This one is already cooked, so you can eat.
Okay. Is it yummy?
It's so yummy.
Ooh.
Okay, so we cut it like this.
It's taco.
Okay, so now we mix up all flour and egg and water together. Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Oh, so this is...
It's about 16 ounce, and then you can make about 100 takoyaki bowl.
What have you done, Sana?
めっちゃ
乱暴すぎるでし
Oh
ょ。
my goodness. Okay, still fine.
Yeah.
Yay.
で、まず混ぜて。
Yeah, mix together, please.
You have to mix the orange one too. Okay.
Okay, so all mixed up.
All mixed up.
Yes. So now ready to cook.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So it's hard to find the takoyaki flour and the tenkatsu tempura crisps in normal store, but you can find it on Amazon. So please check it. And also you can buy takoyaki sauce. It's very yummy. Ooh, let's get started.
I love green onion.
If you don't have it, you don't need to put, but it's very tasty. They are getting shapes. Ta-da! takoyaki bowl. It's time to eat. Okay. Put some takoyaki sauce and a little bit mayonnaise. And if you like it, bonito flakes.
Bonito.
Bonito. Takoyaki bowl. せーの、いただきます。食べて。
ソースで食べてダメだ。
いいよいいよ。
熱々。うん、熱いよね。
熱い？
ふふして食べたね。アクトパス。
Octopus, so yummy. It's already seasoned, so it's very tasty. Thank you, Trader Joe's. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.